Yeah, 2017 CBF300 Honda. Special edition with this gray and silver and green. This CB300F fairingless bike. We're gonna go ahead and cold start it for you. This bike has ABS. Okay, we're neutral. Shut it down because it's too loud. But yeah, good beginner bike. Good first time rider bike. This bike features a couple of upgrades that were done to make it more rider friendly. On this bike here, you can see in the back, the rear light housing was converted to get rid of the whole structure that comes out here with the license plate down here over the tire, and inside is incorporated the turning signals on either side. You have your brake light in the middle. It's all LED. Everything's nice and clean, so it gives the back a very clean look, very easy to ride in traffic because you have nothing sticking out off the sides here. You can also see the high mirrors were removed. We do have the conversion kit going on here for the handlebar mirrors. A couple of little fabrication things we got to do on this bike here just because of the style of handlebar. But very good beginner bike, very good first time bike. I think the bike has about a wet weight of about 350 pounds, which makes it very easy to handle. The fairinglessness of it makes it good in case you drop it a couple of times, not a lot of plastic to break. And on the road, you know, it gets up to a good 80, 85, 90 miles an hour, very stable on the road. Since the Coffman exhaust upgrade, there's a few more horse, so it does it a little quicker and does it a little easier. And yeah, overall, great first time bike, great first beginning riding bike. And the prices on them are actually pretty competitive. So if you're in the market for one of these, you should definitely pull the trigger and check it out. Honda CB300F, be good, 2017. You can't get this color anymore though.